Hey guys, my name is Stephen Dudley and I'm here joined with some piggies. So y'all have probably seen my face at the Cove Creek tent in Ooltewah at the Ooltewah Farmers Market. I manage the farmers markets for Matt and Lorraine Spracia, who are the owners of Cove Creek Farm. But I also manage the pigs. I'm getting a good scratch on. So at Cove Creek Farm, we do rotational grazing with all of our animals. So here in Tracy City, we have all of our pigs. We rotate them, try to rotate them once a week so that they are able to get some fresh forage from the pasture and from the forest. And at the Monteagle Farm, they have their cows and they also have their meat chickens. Anyway, hope you like this video and hope you like these piggies.